What's your name?
Hi, my name is Ryan Paulo R. Sarmiento.
And what's your work?
I'm a public school teacher.
And as a teacher, I have one question for you. What was the moment you made the biggest decision that made you feel your life was truly yours? In Tagalog, ano ang pinakamalaking desisyon na nagparamdam sa'yo na ikaw ay ang may hawak ng buhay mo?
Medyo mahirap yung tanong. Pero siguro, for me, I consider na sa my entire life, yung choice ko na maging public school teacher, I guess. Kasi, from the very start naman na pinanganak ako, syempre, andyan yung family or parents ko na nag-guide and tumutulong sa akin. But with this kind of decision na ginawa ko, hindi ko sa kanila sinabi or inopen na magiging isang teacher ako. Kasi gusto ko sa kanila na, gusto ko silang surprise na parang nagawa ko yung decision na to at my age na without asking them ng help or without asking them na sa tingin kong kailangan nilang magbigay. Kasi napatunayan ko na kaya ko mag-desisyon sa sarili ko. Parang ganun.
How would you rate yourself as a teacher?
From 1 to 10, siguro I would rate myself an 8. Kasi ngayon, dahil nga, even though at may 6 years of teaching experience, I believe na marami pa rin akong kailangan matutunan, especially in a new working environment. And I still have a lot to achieve. Like, I want to take master's degree and to prove to myself and to the school where I'm working at na I am not just a regular teacher, but I am a different teacher from everyone.
Mahal mo ba ang trabaho?
Oo naman, syempre.
Bakit mo mahal?
Kasi bukod sa bread and butter ko siya, syempre. Pero parang dito yung talagang nasasabi ko na masaya akong trabaho na napuntahan ko. Kasi yung fulfillment that you were able to teach students, the fulfillment of sharing knowledge, wisdoms to your students and then applying it to themselves, and later on you will find them to be a successful in their life. Yun, siguro.